Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all this eye look that I created using a drugstore product that seems to be very hard to find. But if you want to see more on what product I use to create this fabulous eye look without me having to break my bank for it, then keep watching this video and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later dolls. So in today's video I'm going to be using my NYC Cosmetics quad palette called Union Square. So excited to be using this palette because this palette used to be sold in your local drugstores. NYC Cosmetics have since then discontinued selling their products in the local drugstores, but I found this palette on beautyjoint.com. And this is not a sponsored video. No sponsorship here, okay? But let me tell you, beautyjoint.com, they sell a lot of the discontinued makeup items that were sold in local drugstores, or they have the discontinued makeup shades of particular drugstore products, okay? Now, aside from that, if you already have this palette, great. You can still achieve the eye look in which I'm about to do. But if you don't have this palette, or if you're not interested in even getting this palette, and you have eyeshadows whose colors are the same as what I'm about to use off of this palette, you can still create the fabulous eye look without you having to break your bank for it. So enough of me rambling on this intro. Without further ado, let's get this video going. I'm starting out by using my Fenty Beauty primer, and with the warmth of my hands I'm going to dab this all over my face and blend it in with my palms. And then I'm going to go ahead and prime the entire mobile area of my eyes with the warmth of my fingertips. I'm going to dab my primer on and blend this up all the way towards my brow bone. And then I'm going to use the palette. So exciting. This is the Union Square palette by NYC Cosmetics, and with a fluffy blending brush I'm taking a shade darkening my natural skin tone and blending it into the crease, but I'm dragging it up towards the brow bone. And then I'm going to go back into the palette with a pointed precision blending brush. I'm taking this chocolate color and focus that in on the crease, but I'm keeping it nice and low underneath the brow bone. So I'm not going to take it high like I did the previous color. This is what I miss most about NYC Cosmetics in the drugstores. Their eyeshadows are impeccable. The quality is insane, and look at the pigmentation that I'm getting. Color you see, you're definitely going to get. I'm now going to take a flat shader brush and take this golden-esque color, and here's where the magic happens. Look at that pigmentation. I keep telling you all, this is what I love best about NYC Cosmetics. Insanely pigmented, rivaling those of the higher end brand of eyeshadows at a fraction of its cost. And it's still on beautyjoint.com. And this ain't no sponsored video, but that's where you can get it from. So anyway, I'm taking the eggshell-esque looking color. I'm only putting that in on the tear ducts. I'm only doing that to try to open up my eyes with reflexive light. Popping that in only on the tear ducts, so that's going to help brighten up my eye area. And I'm only using a little bit of this. It's going to go a long way. So off camera I did the false eyelashes and wing liner, and as you just saw, this eyeshadow palette is definitely worth you dolls looking into, and I ain't had to break my bank for it. So now I'm applying my foundation, which is my Ultra HD foundation by Makeup Forever. And I'm using my makeup spatula to dab it all over the perimeters of my face. And with my facial blending brush, I'm going to blend out that foundation, making sure I be careful around my eyebrows because I don't want to smudge my eyebrows off. But I'm blend out my entire face with my facial blending brush. And then I'm going to start highlighting underneath the areas of my eyes. I'm using my LA Girl Cream Highlighter. And I'm also going to be contouring using my e.l.f. Cream Contour, and I'm putting that along the perimeters of my forehead. And then I'm going to blend out that highlight and blend out that contour using my facial blending brush, just to make sure that I have a smooth transition of color. And I'm going to apply a little bit of blush, goes a long way for me. I'm not much of a blush wearer. And now I'm going to start outlining my lips using my all-time favorite Milani Cosmetics lip liner, which I will link down in the description box below. So as I outline my lips and now apply my lip gloss, this is now concluding the look. Not bad. I mean, this eye look came out better than I actually anticipated. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and everything that I use will be listed down in the description box below, including the link to beautyjoint.com, because like I said, this is not a sponsored video, but that website is definitely worth the dollars looking into. Yeah, I'm impressed. Seriously, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.